Welcome to another video. In this problem, we want to solve for all the possible values of x that satisfy these equations. And let's start by solving it. And the question is f to the power of 5 to the power of x bracket x factorial plus 1 bracket. And for the second one, if I apply the law of indices and I change all this one to inverse, then we are going to have 5 raised to the power of negative 1, right? Bracket x factorial minus x raised to the power of 3 all bracket. So we have common base. We cancel these 2 5 and we have only the power, which is x bracket x factorial plus 1, and everything equals to here is negative 1 bracket we have x factorial minus x raised to the power of 3. By opening the parentheses, we have x dot x factorial, all right, and for the second one, so we are going to have plus x, so we are multiplying x both in bracket, and for the second one we have negative x factorial, and so we have plus x raised to the power of 3. So we collect the like terms. X factorial, we pick it to this side and we transfer x to the other side. So we have x dot x factorial plus x factorial, everything equals to x raised to the power 3 minus x. So x factorial is common, so we factorize this thing out. By doing that, we are going to have x factorial bracket x plus 1, everything equals to, so x can also be taken out here, then we have x squared minus 1. But this x squared minus 1, if we split this, consider it as difference of the 2 square, then we have x squared minus 1. So let's say 1 square is still 1. So the output of this is x minus 1 and x plus 1. So by using it in this, we are going to replace x squared minus 1 with what we get above. Then we have x factorial bracket x plus 1 equals to x plus 1 bracket x minus 1. So if we cancel these two, so we are going to have x factorial equals to x bracket x minus 1. So we can get this thing, so if we try to apply this, or we can still do it this way, because for that one, so we only have one satisfied solution. So let's say I start iterating at x equals to 1. So if this is x factorial, we are going to have let's say 1 factorial equals to 1 bracket 1 minus 1. So we know that the left hand side is not equals to the right hand side, so which means 1 does not satisfy this. And if it is for at x equals to 2, so we are going to have 2 factorial equals to 2 bracket 2 minus 1. So automatically this is equal. So at x equals to 2, so it is equal. And let's test for x equals to 3, if it's going to be equal or not. So if x equals to 3, we have 3 factorial equals to 3 bracket 3 minus 1. And 3 factorial is 6, so you can leave it as 3 factorial equals to 3 multiplied by 2, so that is 6. So which means x equals to 3 also satisfy this. So let's see the last one. If x equals to 4, so definitely this is not going to be equal. So 4 factorial is that is 24, and what we are going to have at the other side is 12. So which means for this equation, so it is only 2 and 3 that satisfy this. So this is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the steps I used. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.